আমি কোয়েশ্চেনটা বলবো, আপনার অ্যানসারটা বলবেন। What was Samrin doing while you were driving home?
What I was driving home was
Were you expecting any visitors in the morning? Why didn't you receive my call in the morning? What were you doing last night? How many people were using mobile phone in the 19th century? Why didn't you finish talking over the phone? Were they waiting for the train when you spoke to them? What were you doing before my arrival? What were you doing when the microphone stopped working? সবগুলো কোন টেন্সে ছিল? পাস্ট কন্টিনিউয়াস। বুঝছেন? আপনারা ঠিক এভাবে সেন্টেন্স মেক করবেন, নিজে নিজে প্রশ্ন করবেন, নিজে নিজে উত্তর দিবেন। ঠিক আছে? ক্লিয়ার? অল ক্লিয়ার? অল ক্লিয়ার?